Today, we are going to show you how to use guided access on your iPhone. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone security tips and tricks. Let's dive in. Point number 1. Enable guided access. First, let's enable guided access. You can follow this step. Open the setting and then tap Accessibility. In the Accessibility, you can scroll down and tap on Guided Access. And you must toggle on the Guided Access. Next, we are going to set a passcode for guided access. Here's how. In the guided access setting, you can tap passcode setting. Then, you can tap set guided access passcode. Then, you can enter a passcode and you can confirm it again. You can also set or configure in the guided access setting here. For example, if you want customize, you can enable accessibility shortcut for quick access to feature like voiceover or zoom. You can also toggle on the auto lock. Display auto lock to lock the device automatically. You can set the time based on your preference or your needs. Or if you want to disable the display auto lock, you can select never. Now that guided access is already set up, let's start a session. You can follow this step. Open the app you want to use. For example, I'm going to open the game app. After that, you can triple click the side or home button. It depending on your iPhone model. On my case, I would like to triple click on my side button here. I will try again. Then you can enter your passcode. Before that, you can tap option to configure the setting. For example, if you want to set the time limit, you can turn it on and you can set the time. When you're done, you can start by tap start at the top right of your screen or resume. It depends. It could be start or resume. Now, you already activate the start guided access. To end a guided access session, you can follow this step, triple click again at the side or home button. After that, you can enter your guided access passcode. Tap End in the top left corner and your guided access session is already end. And that's it today's video about how to use guided access on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. We hope this step-by-step guide helps you use guided access on your iPhone for a more secure and focused experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone security tips and tricks. See you next time and bye.